After a long time in this channel the video is coming. In this part today we will discuss about the formula, algebraic formula what required for class 8. This is important for CBSE and all classes and all boards. This is algebraic formulas. Algebra formula required for class 8. This is only for class 8. So today we will firstly writing the formulas one by one, like a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. A minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. In this channel these two, and there are also some formulas like a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. A plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. A minus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. These proof of this formula are also available in my channel. Please check it out and see the video firstly, then you can go through this video. Also a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. These formula only required for class 8 factorization. This is required only for factorization. In the class 8 there are some factor like middle term factor, vanishing factor, where there this formula is required. This is and a cube minus b cube. This also a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Only the sign is changing here and here, but this is same. And a plus b plus c whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. These proof also available in my channel video. Please see. I will give the video link in my description. Okay. So firstly, some of the common laws of exponent with the same bases having different powers and the different bases, like a to the power m dot means multiply a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n. This is the formula for exponents and power. This is required always because this formula is mainly, or this formula is known, or this formula is made basic through this character, like a to the power m divided by a to the power n is equal to a to the power m minus n. This also. So some of the common laws of exponents with the same bases having different powers and different bases having some power and are useful to solve complex exponential terms and prove this formula. So today I have discussed about this formula because some exponential power formulas and laws are required. like as you can see here, a to the power m bracket whole to the power n is equal to a to the power mn, m multiply n. Also a dot b means a multiply b whole to the power m is equal to a to the power m multiply b to the power m. This is also, and a to the power 0 is equal to 1. Please remember that part. This is also come on the MCQ type question. This is only for MCQ type question, and it also required in class 8. And also a to the power minus m is equal to 1 by a to the power m. Why? This is because a to the power m means a inverse, a to the power minus m means a inverse m. So inverse means 1 by a to the power m. When this a to the power m comes on the numerator part, this m will change to the negative sign because it is denominator now, and we will change that in numerator. So this sign will be changed. This is the basic formula for class 8, and class 8 this is required. This formula and this page I have already seen in this video. This page is very important, very important for class 8, because all these formula are required for implementation and execution in mathematics for class 8. In the next part of my video, this is the algebra part 3. In the next video, in algebra part 4, I will discuss about some arithmetic formula and also algebraic formula in class 9, and also arithmetic formula for class 8. This is the algebraic part, but I will discuss about some arithmetic also in this formula, because this is the formula part. This is formula series is ongoing in my channel in part 1 and part 2. You can see in my channel video. So this is important for class 8. In the next part, I will discuss about the class 9 formulas, and then class 10, class 11 and class 12, then BSc first year, second year, third year, fourth year. This is the formula series total I will complete it. So that's all for today. For this video, please subscribe my channel and share with your friends, and like, comments also. Thank you, students.